Let me quickly show you how to cancel pending orders inside of Robinhood. If you've set an order, for example a limit order inside of Robinhood, and the price did not hit that particular order, the way that you cancel it is fairly easy. Here the first step would be to open up the stock that you have a order placed. So from your watch list or any list that you've created, open up the stock that you have added in an order in. Once you open up the stock, you'll be able to see the pending orders right here. Once you open up a particular stock, you'll be able to see all of your pending orders right here. Now to cancel these orders which did not trigger, just tap on any particular order that you want to cancel. And here on the bottom, you're going to get two options, which is replace order and cancel order. Just tap on the cancel order option, and this particular order that you just placed on, whether it be a stock or an option, the order will be immediately cancelled out. So that's all there is to cancel a pending order inside of Robinhood. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.